Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car to accessory or on so the infotainment is active. This is required for pairing. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and make it discoverable, then open the Mercedes audio/phone menu. Once done, select Connect Device or Pair New Device on the Command or MBUX screen. This prompts the car to search. Make sure your phone is nearby and not connected to other devices, because simultaneous connections can block discovery. You now pick the Mercedes entry that appears on your phone and tap it. The infotainment will also show the phone name. Confirm the numeric code displayed on both displays. This prevents accidental pairing, and accept or confirm on both devices. Once paired, the system asks to grant access to contacts and messages. Allow this for full hands-free calling and caller ID. If you decline, you still get audio streaming but lose synced phone book and text info. Decide based on privacy needs. You finish by designating the phone as the primary device in Bluetooth settings if the car supports multiple profiles. This ensures automatic reconnection. Test a voice call and stream music to verify audio routing, and adjust volume or microphone position if callers report issues. If pairing fails, clear old device entries on both phone and car, restart the phone, and perform a soft reboot of the infotainment. This simple reset resolves most conflicts. If problems persist, try pairing in another vehicle to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.